said I remembered when we used to sit in the government yard and trenched out, and then Georgie would make the firelight as it was like wood burning through the night. And we would cook cornmeal porridge, of which I'll share with you.